Aspen Tech Lab's new wage benchmarking tool, which is part of our Job Market Pulse product, was designed to help employers better understand the labor market and how they should adjust their wages accordingly. Our advanced salary parser pulls compensation directly from job postings. Let's take a look at the tool. Here you can filter by metro area name. By using the drop-down below, select a specific metro market of interest or type a metro market in the search box. Then select a job title. Here you can compare multiple job titles. Use the drop-down to select job titles you're interested in. This is just a sample from our database, but we can work with you to customize a wage benchmarking tool that meets your needs. Make any changes to the filters and use the reload button in the upper right-hand corner. This will change the visualizations you see down below. Our data is updated twice a day, so all of this data that you're seeing is live. And if you're interested in seeing the data updated more frequently, we can work with you to meet your needs. We also have a JavaScript widget for wage benchmarking that can be placed on your platform or your website so your customers can look up salaries by specific job titles. Let's take a look at the visualizations down below. Here you can see for the job titles that I'm filtered on, the total number of vacancies, as well as the total number of vacancies with salary data. And then if you look at the table to the right, you can see a breakdown of the job titles, the total number of vacancies for each job title, the total number of vacancies with salary data, as well as the median age of the job. The next graph we're going to take a look at is the vacancy trend graph. Here you can compare job titles and their number of vacancies over time. Here we're comparing the job titles of a data analyst and software engineer. But if you're interested in adding or comparing additional job titles, select the job titles below from the menu. You'll be able to compare multiple job titles at once. You can see this data from February 13th to March 20th, but we can work with you to slice the data in a wide variety of ways. So if you want to look at the vacancy trend graph by quarter to quarter or month to month, we can set that up for you as well. The next table we're looking at is the hourly salary percentiles for these job titles. Here you can see the min, the 25th percentile, the median, the 75th percentile, as well as the max wages. The next table we'll look at is the top employers by vacancy. Here you can see a breakdown of the employer name as well as the number of vacancies for these job titles. The next table is a random sample of 100 listings of jobs from these job titles that were filtered on. Here you can see the job titles, the employer name, the salary range, the source type, so whether we're pulling this position directly from a company website or an agency website, as well as the source URL. If you select this link, this will take you directly to where we're pulling the data from. Any of these visualizations can be downloaded. So if you use the three dots below, you can download this data in any format of your choosing. You can even download the whole dashboard if you click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. You can download this data, again, in any either PDF or CSV format. The next visualization we'll look at is the salary percentiles by job title. We looked at a table similar to this up above, but this just shows you another way that we can slice the data. Here for these job titles, you can see the min, the 25th percentile, the median, the 75th percentile, and the max. The next graph that we're looking at is the aggregated salary distribution for these job titles. Here you can look at the number of vacancies versus the salary midpoint measure. Here we're looking at the wages hourly, but we can work with you to show these wages annually. We can even convert them to different currencies if you're interested in looking at that as well. This last graph that we're looking at here is the aggregated salary trend. Here you can see dollars per hour over time from February 13th to March 20th. You'll see the salary midpoint for the 25th percentile, for the 50th percentile, as well as the 75th percentile for the job titles that were filtered on. If you're interested in receiving a custom demo for specific job titles or industries of interest, We are happy to work with you to give you access to the platform so you can test it out for yourself. Feel free to reach out directly. We're excited to get started working with you.